Once upon a snuggly night, in a barn so cozy, lived a little piglet named Petey. Oh, he was rosy. With a blankie in his hoof and a teddy in his bed, Petey was ready for a sleepy time spread. In the barnyard, where the moon did gleam, Petey's bedtime ritual was quite a dream. His mamma smiled. "It's time for bed, my dear. Let's make it fun, with a bedtime cheer." First came the toothbrush. With a scrub-a-dub-dub, Petey brushed his teeth in the tub. "Mama, it's bubbly, like a fizzy treat, in the bathroom, where the toothpaste is sweet." Next was the bath, with bubbles so high, Petey splashed and giggled. Oh my! Rub-a-dub-dub, in the tub so snug, in the bathroom, where the bubbles hug. But wait, what's this? A towel so warm, Petey wrapped up like a cozy storm. "Mama, it's snuggly, like a bedtime song, in the bathroom, where the towels belong." With a squeaky clean Petey and towel in hand, Mama led him to the bedroom land. Pyjamas next, soft and light, in the bedroom, where the dreams take flight. Petey wiggled into PJs so neat, with his teddy by his side, ready to greet. "Mama, they're comfy, like a bedtime hug, in the bedroom, where the blanket's snug." Now it was story time. Oh, what delight! Petey picked a book, with a cover so bright. "Mama, read to me, with voices so funny, in the bedroom, where the tales are sunny." So Mama read, with a voice so sweet, about adventures. Oh, what a treat! Petey listened, with eyes so wide, in the bedroom, where the stories glide. But oh, what's this? A lullaby tune, Mama sang, like the moon so soon. "Close your eyes, my little sprite, in the bedroom, where dreams take flight." As the melody wrapped around Petey so tight, his eyes grew heavy in the bedroom's soft light. "Mama, it's cozy, like a bedtime rhyme, in the bedroom, where it's sleepy time." But one more thing, before dreams did unfold, Mama kissed Petey like a story told. "Sweet dreams, my love, tucked in tight, in the bedroom, where the night is bright." Petey whispered with a sleepy grin. "Good night, Mama, tuck me in the bedroom, where the stars so bright. Good night, dear world, sleep tight." And so, in the quiet of the barnyard so fair, the night wrapped around with a gentle air. With dreams of bubbles and stories so light, a sweet good night, until the morning light. In a jungle so green, where the trees did sway, lived animals, ready for a fun-filled day. Among them was Effie, a bright pink elephant, with a trunk so curly and ears so elegant. One sunny day, as the vines did twist, Effie felt something, a little twisty in her gist. Her trunk drooped low and her ears went flat. "I feel a bit blue. What's up with that?" A monkey named Max, with a tail so spry, swung by and asked, "Why the long face, oh my? You're usually pink, with a joyful tune. What's got you feeling like a deflated balloon?" Effie sighed and said, "I don't quite know. There's a feeling inside, making me slow. It's like a cloud, all gloomy and grey. I wish it would just go away." Max scratched his head with a thoughtful look. "We need to find a way to give that cloud a hook. Let's talk about feelings, share them with glee, in the jungle, where emotions roam free." So the animals gathered near the banyan tree to chat about feelings, as easy as can be. A lion named Leo, with a mighty roar, said, "I sometimes feel fierce, like a lion's law." A giraffe named Grace, with a neck so tall, shared, "I feel shy when I'm feeling small. But that's okay. We all have a range, in the jungle, where feelings exchange." As the animals talked, Effie felt a light, understanding her feelings. Oh, what a sight! It's okay to feel blue or pink or grey, in the jungle, where emotions sway. But then, what's this? A burst of delight. A rainbow appeared in the soft daylight. I think I feel better with friends so dear in the jungle where emotions clear. The animals laughed with joy so grand, understanding feelings like grains of sand. We're here for you, Effie, in every way, in the jungle where feelings play. But wait, what's this? A rumble below. A hippo named Hugo with a grin to show. I feel hungry, like a hungry beast, in the jungle where the meals are feasts. The animals chuckled with a jungle cheer, understanding hunger, loud and clear. We all feel hungry from time to time, in the jungle where the meals are prime. As the day rolled on and the vines did twirl, the animals learned it's okay to whirl. Feelings come and go like the sun's warm light in the jungle where emotions take flight. But then the sun dipped low in the golden hue. The animals yawned with dreams in view. It's time for rest in our cozy den in the jungle where dreams begin. Effie thanked her friends with a grateful hug, understanding feelings like a cozy rug. Good night, dear friends. Sleep so tight in the jungle where the stars ignite. And so, in the quiet of the jungle so grand, the animals dreamed in a peaceful land. With dreams of feelings and morning light, a sweet good night, until the dawn's first bright.